Hello everybody, this is Shiny Hunter Star here, and I'm coming at you with a new video of the new set Pokemon X and Y Roaring Skies. So I have two packs here that I just got at a store that I've been to before, but this is the first time they're selling Pokemon packs, and so I'm really happy about that, because I can now start going there without my parents having to drive me. So yeah. And I'm also recording on my dad's iPad, which should have a lot better camera quality than my last stuff. So, let's just get into it. I'm really excited for this new set. I've never opened any of these packs, and I'm just really happy for these. Also been noticing a lot of times the code card has been facing outwards. If I can get this open. Gosh. There we go. So, code card's not facing outwards this time. 1, 2, 3. I'm really not expecting to get much from this. Whoops. But yeah. We got an Ultra Ball, a Tropius, a Steven, a Taillow, an Execute, a Hawlucha, a Pikachu, a Natu, a Reverse Latios Spirit Link, and a Hydreigon EX Full Art. Yes. Wow. I was really not expecting that. Dang. So now we got the Rayquaza pack art. We'll save this pack. If I can get the cards out. Nope. I lied. We're not saving it. Okay. Code card, 1, 2, 3. We got an Electrode, Dragonair, Steven, Execute, Dratini, Electrike, Taillow, Bagon Reverse, and a Unpheasant Ancient Trait. Well, this has been a great opening because we got this amazing Hydreigon EX Full Art. Just got 2 random packs from there, and this came in it. So, thanks everybody. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.